Hello, welcome to North Hertfordshire Museum in Hitchin. My name's Keith, and I'd like to introduce you to the busiest person in the building. Follow me. This is Speedy Steven. He's been pedalling his tricycle for ages, but he never gets tired. He had to take over from his great-granddad Record Peter, who's almost 100 and is too old to carry on cycling. Record Peter cycled all the way from Germany in the 1920s and kept on cycling long after he arrived in Hitchin. But now his bicycle is very old and getting a bit worn. Speedy Steven has followed in the family tradition. Come to the museum and help Speedy Steven cover the distance, but make sure that your hands are clean, as we don't want him to catch something.